Hey everyone, Trevor here from Roush Performance. For you F-150 owners out there, are you getting the most power out of your vehicle? As always, Roush Performance has you covered. We've teamed up with Ford Performance to develop an industry-leading calibrated supercharger system for your F-150. Boosting performance to a stunning 650 horsepower, this kit fits all the 2018 and 19 Ford F-150s with a 5.0-liter V8 engine. The Roush 2.65-liter Phase 1 Supercharger kit is part of the TVS line of superchargers developed by Roush Performance, raising the bar in the performance and reliability. TVS technology delivers more power and better fuel economy in a highly engineered package. Unlike turbocharging, the Roush TVS Supercharger provides instant throttle response and generates increased power through the engine's entire power band. The Roush TVS Supercharger is a roots-type positive displacement supercharger featuring twin 4-lobe rotors that are twisted 170 degrees. The fourth lobe and the added twist provide significant benefits, including greatly enhanced thermal efficiency, higher volumetric capacity, higher operating speeds, a smoother and more efficient flow of air into the engine, and improved noise and vibration characteristics. If you are looking to supercharge your F-150 or you're ready to get behind the wheel of a Roush-built 650 horsepower truck, head over to RoushPerformance.com and click Dealer Locator to find a dealer near you. Don't forget to like and share this video.